Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to start a Behance project. First, sign in with your Adobe ID and confirm your profile visibility so viewers can find you. Once done, collect your key assets, high-res images, exported screen captures, captions, and any credits or files you'll attach. Make quick decisions about cover art and whether the project will be a single long scroll or multiple modules. This affects pacing and viewer engagement. Now click Create Project and move into organizing your content for upload. Now assemble and sequence your content so each module builds the narrative. Upload images and videos, then drag to reorder for a logical story arc. Make sure to add concise text blocks that explain the how and why, tools used, process choices, and measurable outcomes, because context turns visuals into work people understand. Insert captions for technical details and attach source files if relevant. Finally, add precise tags, creative fields, and team credits to improve discoverability and professional clarity. Finish by previewing your project on desktop and mobile to catch cropping issues, broken links, or text that's too small. Make adjustments to image sizes and module spacing as needed. Once everything reads clearly, choose Visibility and Publication settings, select a publish date if you want a delay, and press Publish. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache and re-upload any problematic assets. If uploads still fail, reduce image resolution slightly, and try again to avoid timeouts or format mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.